She's the most famous, right? Huh? Yeah, no. She's the most famous. Kwani kuna shida kukuita camera guy? Right now as we speak, you are the most famous lady in Nakuru. Can you tell your fans one last message pale? Because they love you so much.
Really?
Yeah, tell them.
Guy wani follow tu.
Wakufollow tu right?
Zora.
Zora.
And
how?
Zora Haley.
Zora Haley.
IG ni Zora Leni.
Oh. So Lemisho, how do you feel to be famous?
Hakuna kitu jumi si famous.
You ni famous bana. Imagine, I used to be senior yano. So to all RV students from hapa shule, she's your new celebrity. Juu mimi sasa nishamaliza.
Aya.
Nimetoka. Wilipenu nime hand over to Zora. Nisalimie niki hand over hii cheo yako. Yeah. Karibu kwa the feel of being famous, si ndio?
Hapana.
Karibu sana ende. Watakuona pale. Wewe utatrend mbaya. Aulize